just like we've always gone. You can come inside and wake me up. We'll pack and leave by dawn. We will pack and leave by dawn. And you say I hear something, and I'll say never you mind. It's just our two poles knocking in the backseat, and your truck is running fine today, and everything's fine. And your truck will climb up slowly, and we'll see how far we've gone, and the hills will stretch before us. They are rolling on and on. They are rolling on and on. And the fish will watch our boat with envy and with fear, because we will live forever, and our days are slow and dear, and our days are slow and dear. And we'll go fishing in the morning, even though we've never gone. We're two fishing poles in the backseat. We're the